গন্ডাছড়া জিনারাই পাড়াকে নতুন করে কন্টেইনমেন্ট জোন হিসেবে ঘোষণা করা হয়েছে। সেখানে বিএসএফ এর একটি বিওপি রয়েছে। শনিবার যে 17 জন কোভিড পজিটিভ হিসেবে পাওয়া গেছে, তাদের মধ্যে একজন ওই জিনারাই পাড়া বিওপিতে ছিলেন, জানিয়েছেন ত্রিপুরা স্বাস্থ্য সচিব সঞ্জয় কুমার রাকেশ। রবিবার মহাকরণে তিনি সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে কথা বলছিলেন। তিনি জানিয়েছেন বিএসএফ 138 এবং 86 ব্যাটালিয়নের জওয়ান এবং তাদের সদস্যদের টেস্ট হচ্ছে। আজও হয়েছে স্যাম্পল সংগ্রহ এবং টেস্টিং। প্রত্যেক জেলার জেলা শাসকদের বলা হয়েছে একটি করে জায়গা ঠিক করে রাখতে কোভিড কেয়ার সেন্টারের জন্য। হাসপাতাল থেকে রোগীদের ছেড়ে দেবার বিষয়ে স্বাস্থ্য মন্ত্রক নতুন করে গাইডলাইন দিয়েছে। তাতে 10 দিন চিকিৎসার পর ছাড়া হবে কোভিড রোগীদের, যাদের কোনো লক্ষণ নেই বা খুব সামান্য লক্ষণ রয়েছে। ত্রিপুরায় প্রথম যে 2জন বিএসএফ জওয়ান কোভিড আক্রান্ত ধরা পড়েছিলেন, তাদের সোমবার বা তার পরের দিন ছাড়া হবে, স্বাস্থ্য সচিব জানিয়েছেন। তিনি রবিবার চুড়াইবাড়িতে গিয়েছিলেন সেখানে কিভাবে স্যাম্পল সংগ্রহ হচ্ছে সে ব্যাপারে খোঁজ নিতে এবং সবকিছু দেখাশোনা করতে।
As you know, yesterday 17 persons were declared positive out of 456 tests done. They were all BSF personnel or their family members from 86 Battalion. Consequent upon that result, another BOP of 86, first BOP of 86 Battalion, that is JNRI Pala in Gandachira, has also been declared as containment zone because one Jawan of that 86 Battalion has stayed there for about 15 days or so. So that area is primarily a jungle area, not much civilian population. So change in population affected is just 43 persons civilian, and in that BOP there is no civilian. They were all 43 BSF personnel in that area, so their samples have also been taken. Now, today 450 samples are getting tested. With today's test, I think all BSF personnel and their families of Ambassa headquarters, their testing would be complete.
Which battalion?
86 and 138 both. Now, this is in other parts the COVID fight things are going on as usual. Surveillance is going on and samples coming, and we are working on that. On non-medical part of it, today 99 persons have left Agartala for going to Kota by the bus which had carried our students. And a train from Bangalore with about 1200 persons is about to start or may have started by now. It is likely to reach by Tuesday morning, 13th morning, Wednesday early morning or Tuesday night as per the time taken by them. And another train will start from Chennai on Tuesday. Or as you may be aware, the train which is coming from Bangalore, they have charged us 12.78 lakh, which has been paid by government of Tripura from CM Relief Fund. The patients as per today, our test per million rate, which is a parameter on which number of tests is being done, is 2272, which is 5th or 6th in the country highest. Earlier I had mentioned that apart from declaring Bhagat Singh as COVID hospital, we have requested district magistrates for declaring COVID care center within each district. Yesterday we discussed with all district magistrates and advised them to do so. I think within few days they will do it. DM Gomti has already declared the training hostel building which is adjacent to the district hospital as a dedicated care center. Other district magistrates are in the process. Within few days, they will also declare, and then we will let you know. Now, yesterday, Honorable Minister had mentioned that a new discharge policy has been issued by Government of India, under which those patients who are asymptomatic or only mild symptoms, we can release them after keeping them in our care for 10 days. With instruction that they should maintain the home quarantine for another 7 days before they should come out. Now, with that parameter in mind, the first batch of patients from BSF which had come, or first batch of patients in Tripura which is with us, will be eligible for release by tomorrow evening or day after tomorrow. We have already requested BSF to plan for their home quarantine, and we hope that from Tuesday onwards, the existing COVID positive persons will begin to release. প্রথম দিন দুটা ছিল দুইজন, তারপরে নেক্সট ডে the whole number, the way they came, the sequence after the initial test, they will be released. So that is all from me. Thank you. Anything from you?
সরকারকে বলেছিলেন ত্রিপুরাতে রিলিজ করার আগে সবাইকে টেস্ট করানো। আপনার চাইলে যেটা আপনি রিলিজ করার কথা বলছেন, মিনিস্টার কালকে বলেছিলেন ত্রিপুরাতে সবাইকে টেস্ট করে রিলিজ করানো।
Guideline says there is no need for test because they are asymptomatic, there is nothing, no risk as such. But that call we have to take. We will sit tomorrow morning and then we will finalize whether we take a call, another test for them or do it. In fact, first 2 persons we had another round of test where the viral load has come down, but that is still positive. But that call we will take. Test, but they will be staying with the BSF quarantine system. So any symptom.
Pure Report, Channel Din Raat.